Hi guys, this is Abid. Art of Batik with Tjanting tool is not an easy task. Not only does it take time to learn, but it also requires a lot of practice. Flow in hand is matter a lot. It takes a lot of practice to do this, but after practice you will enjoy the flow of wax and delicate movements of hand with this amazing tool. As you know, batik is a wax resist art. We can apply wax on different surfaces and make the beautiful art pieces. I am sure you will enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do it and press the bell icon and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Let's start the video. I did not make my design on paper because today I am making on large size fabric piece. That's why I have already drawn my design on the fabric. After drawing, start bathing with Tjanting tool. Today I am making my video on tropical flowers and leaves. Tropical theme is one of my favorite theme. If I am not wrong, every artist loves tropical plants and flowers. Colors become amazingly sharp, fresh and attractive after rain bath. You can spend your whole life making these beautiful designs. Batik with Tjanting tool is little tricky. You need to know where to start and where to end. When you complete your one motif, hold the Tjanting tool and put the fabric piece on the nozzle of Tjanting tool. Refill the Tjanting tool when you feel wax is getting hard or ending. How to hold the Tjanting tool in hand is very important. Balance of wax in Tjanting tool is based on the position or angle of your hand. Flow is important during batik with Tjanting tool. Try not to break your batik line during batiking. This will cause the color spread if there is any break in the batik line. After batiking, start coloring and shading in the leaves and flowers. Apply the water on the background and then apply the color. Color stains do not appear on wet fabric. Color spots will appear if you do not apply the water in the background before coloring. If you are working on large size fabric, apply the water in the base and then apply the color on it according to your color scheme. I am applying plain color in the leaves because I will make veins in the leaves. Then I will repaint these leaves. After the paint dries, make the veins of leaves with the wax. Anthurium is red heart-shaped flower. Apply the light color in the flower and let the color dry. Make the veins in the flower with wax and repaint it in orange and red color. I have done my batik painting with silk paints. You can use silk dyes too for batik painting. I have done my batik painting. Remove the wax after painting. I have already made a video on it. You can get the link from this video description. If you really like the video, press the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye.